Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic that can make or break your academic journey. And I'm talking about managing your time for success. Remember, most of your learning actually happens outside the classroom. So let's explore how to make the most of your time. So what we're going to be talking about is something referred to as self-regulated learning. And that's taking control of your study habits and learning processes. Students who manage their time effectively are not only academically more successful, but also experience less stress and achieve more. Research indicates that most students perform better when they engage in short, frequent study sessions, say around 25 minutes each, followed by short breaks. This method helps focus and reinforces learning. Scheduling is key. Plan your study sessions in a way that avoids conflict with practice times, club events, or even meal times. A well-structured schedule helps keep your priorities in check. Personally, I use Outlook to manage my time. I space out gaps in my schedule for catch-up sessions, and I set notifications on my phone when I'm and inform others when I'm at the gym or I'm studying or working on something that requires a lot of concentration. This way, people know I'm busy and will get back to me later. And then I can get back to them later as well. Again, if people don't respect your time, they don't respect you. And don't forget about your leisure time. Schedule your fun and social activities during non-work times. Use them as rewards for sticking to your study schedule. You'll find that you'll have more fun and you'll relax more knowing that you're on top of your course material. That's all for today. Remember, effective time management is a skill that can lead to success in your academic life and beyond. Until next time, keep learning and keep succeeding. A better you is a better world.